Today, I am reviewing KTC 32-inch FHD 1080p curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The KTC 32-inch FHD curved gaming monitor is a game-changer for anyone looking for an immersive, high-performance display without breaking the bank. This monitor is designed with both gamers and professionals in mind, delivering a combination of speed, visual fidelity, and comfort that few competitors in its price range can match. First, let's talk about its design. The KTC H32S17C features a 1500R curved HVA panel, which is wider than most standard displays. This curvature enhances immersion by wrapping visuals around your field of view, reducing distortion and strain, and giving you a truly cinematic and competitive gaming experience. At 32 inches, it delivers plenty of screen real estate, perfect for gaming, work, or multitasking. Performance-wise, this monitor is a powerhouse. It offers a blazing 165 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond MPRT response time. This means you'll get ultra-smooth motion with minimal blur, making it ideal for competitive games like FPS and racing. Paired with adaptive sync technology supporting both FreeSync Premium and GSYNC, screen tearing and stuttering are virtually eliminated. The result is buttery smooth gameplay and sharper motion, whether you're in an intense gaming battle or editing high frame rate video content. Visual quality is another strength of this monitor. It offers full HD 1080p resolution, and while some might expect more from a large 32-inch display, KTC compensates with a 120% sRGB color gamut and HDR10 support. That means richer, more vibrant colors and better contrast. Whether you're gaming, streaming movies, or doing creative work, the visuals pop with depth and clarity. The 350 nits brightness and a 3500:1 contrast ratio also ensure vibrant images and deep blacks. One of the standout features is KTC's Game Plus mode, designed for gamers who want a competitive edge. Features like customizable crosshairs, black equalizer settings to brighten dark scenes without overexposing bright areas, and an integrated timer make it more than just a display. It's a gaming tool. In terms of connectivity, the monitor is versatile. It offers 2 HDMI ports, a DisplayPort, USB, and even an earphone jack, making it compatible with PCs, laptops, and gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. It's also Visa-mountable, giving flexibility in mounting for gaming setups or office use. The ergonomic design allows tilt adjustments between -5 degrees and 15 degrees, ensuring comfortable viewing for long gaming or work sessions. The monitor also comes with built-in HDR10 and low blue light technologies to reduce eye strain, especially during extended use. Finally, the KTC H32S17C delivers all of this with a sleek, minimalist design that fits nicely in any gaming room or home office. The matte finish reduces glare, and the sturdy stand ensures stability, while adding to the overall aesthetic. In summary, the KTC 32-inch FHD curved gaming monitor is a fantastic option for gamers and professionals alike. It combines a large immersive curved display with fast refresh rates, crisp visuals, and competitive features, all at a very reasonable price point. If you're looking for a high-performance, affordable curved monitor for gaming or work, the KTC H32S17C should definitely be on your shortlist.